Introducing Beam platform and free real-time data. You can trade the most popular futures contracts.
Il faut d'abord aller te reposer là. Il faut d'abord me laisser tranquille.
Ladies and gentlemen, dear Twitter, welcome back to our channel. I'm Simon Gunn. Today is Wednesday evening, and Twitter, we're happy to be here for this new session. We are going to learn how to trade Twitter. Very, very important. This is our fourth day, ladies and gentlemen, and we want to welcome you here, Twitter. So today we are going to move forward with our program, and we hope today gotta be nice. And before I start opening this session, I'm already on the trade because I saw an opportunity. I don't want to leave it, ladies and gentlemen. So I think I have to welcome also those in French, ladies and gentlemen. Mesdames, Mesdemoiselles, Messieurs, chers traders, bienvenue une fois de plus sur Trade Africa. Je suis Samuel, comme here, ici, et aujourd'hui c'est mercredi. Alors, c'est une nouvelle journée et je suis très heureux et je remercie Dieu d'être là. Alors, nous allons commencer avec une nouvelle session. Comme vous voyez, nous allons analyser nos trades, mais j'ai vu une opportunité puisque mon trade était dans 5 minutes, alors j'ai pris une position. Nous allons rentrer et je suis déjà dans la position, mais néanmoins nous allons analyser nos trades chez Trader. Mes stops sont là, je ne vais pas les enlever et je vais aussi placer mon objectif si possible. Alors, je suis désolé, j'étais déjà dans le test parce que j'ai vu une opportunité, je suis entré. Je ne dis pas que ça va marcher, mais je l'ai fait. Je n'ai jamais fait ça. Aujourd'hui, je l'ai fait. Chez Twitter. Donc, nous allons essayer d'analyser nos trades et voir ce que le marché va nous réserver ce soir. Chez Twitter, je suis obligé de placer un stop qui sera un peu grand ici, Twitter. Alors si notre trade revient là-bas, il serait dehors. Donc nous allons voir ce que le marché va nous proposer si on nous enlève. Bon, je vais prendre la perte. Ce serait la première perte que j'aurais prise. Donc néanmoins, nous allons voir. Donc, essayons un peu d'analyser le marché dans l'ensemble. On va commencer avec le daily. S'il vous plaît. Donc, voyons un peu. Let's see our daily chart, ladies and gentlemen. Here, let's see our daily chart. We are slightly in green. So, as you can see, Twitter. Slightly green. So we have a small green candle for the reversal. Let's see here as well. So we started also small green. That is an inside candle. Small green, ladies and gentlemen. So that is the US Japanese, and on the GBP here, it's, we have now a decision, dirty. So, ladies and gentlemen, we don't know exactly where the market is going to head today, but apparently we might have also maybe a reversal for the uptrend. You know, I may prefer to watch our market for the uptrend today, but we're going to see. We're gonna see Twitter. 4 hours also start with a 4 with a little bit green candle. So let's see what we are going to have here, ladies and gentlemen. It won't be easier, so but we'll see. So, let's see. I'm already on the trade, traders. As you can see, it's not a good habit, but I never done that, but I did it today. So there's so many patterns and way to do stuff. I tried this one today. I will see how it's gonna work, but if it doesn't, we'll take it. Sorry. So now we are approaching 7 p.m. Eastern time, ladies and gentlemen. We're approaching 7 p.m. Eastern time. I'm already on the trade. I'm down that trade. I'm waiting to see if the market maybe 7 p.m. open. People may have some kind of rejection. So let's see. Reversal. Watching here. I'm already on the trade. Watching here. I'm already on the trade, traders. It's already 9 p.m. Eastern time. Let's see. Shall say hi. I want to say hi to you, particularly because you're always connected. And hi also other people who I don't really know, but people who always, connect with us here. I want to say good evening, good morning, good afternoon. So we're happy to be here to welcome you here, and we're really grateful for the way you guys. So I'm on the trade long position here for trade. Next time, yesterday I was talking about adding one chart again on my screen, but I'm gonna do that later, not right now. No, I will do it later. But so I do not have time to do it today. Maybe tomorrow. So that is our first trade, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, let me take the. Thank you, Chelsea. I'm going to take down the music volume. Thank you. Thank you for letting me know. I just forgot. So we are now on the trade. Hopefully, we'll take our direction. Hopefully. Watching. Road Japanese coming to my stop. Let's see. We see a rejection. Complete rejection. Twitter. Road Japanese also coming close to my stop. Maybe I gotta have my first losing trade. I don't know. Close to my stops. I'm out. My two traders with a loss. Took them above my 20. Let's see. Coming down. Trailer coming down. Yeah. I may see if I can re-enter the trade here. I can re-enter this trade for the long again. Enter again your US Japanese. Let's see. Kick me out. Re-enter again. I gotta place my stop here below this time. Place my stop here, below, here as well. My stop gotta be here. Traders, let's see. I never have this kind of patterns at the opening of I think Sydney already open, so 7 p.m. Eastern time. They have this pattern here, but I have it today. You know, we see different things. That is why we need to be careful with our trade. So let's see the outcome of those trades. I was out of 2. So juste 2 trades et j'ai repris. Let's see. We are here in the downtrend. We are in red. All our trade, red. So let's see. Trade I'm in on 4 trade. 2 kick me out. I re-enter for the long. watching. We're moving in the right direction, probably. Coming down. Is that something you want to see, trader? If we break the lower, now I will start directly watching the market for a downtrend. So, because you will never know the direction of the market, you need to follow the trend. So if we break the lower and we don't reject, because we may break it and reject. So I'm watching. Because the first trade I took before I welcome people, those trade was nice. They moved, but I didn't take the profit because I was expecting the breakout. It didn't happen, and they came back down. Unfortunately. On va voir si ces trades vont marcher, ça ne va pas marcher. Trading is difficult. For that reason, we encourage you guys to trade on the demo account, or platform account. For those who want to use real money, like I'm doing, you got to use very tiny account. You need a very tiny account, ladies and gentlemen. Don't put too much money because you're going to have losses. It happens. So, because we're here, we're learning, we're looking for skill. As soon as we get that skills, we will increase our quantity. We don't worry now. Skills first. So let's move and see. We have a 50 above here, or 50. I think that gotta be our first target. Here, first target. Here, 50 is here. We may, have time to break here, to get there, Traders. Nous avons notre ligne 50 qui est là, qui est vraiment très puissante. Donc, on doit faire beaucoup attention. Our first target may be here, the resistance. So, let's see. Watching. Want to see our trade above 20. We had a big sell from 5 p.m. Eastern. It will have a big sell. I don't know if that sell will continue right now or we'll have some kind of pullback. I don't really know. So let's see. Want to come here and break. Let me check Australia Japanese here. So Japanese won't need to come and break the resistance. Good move on raw Japanese traders. Great. Want to see Australia going on the resistance and breaking. Small resistance. Watching. I'm see here holding. Want to see US Japanese above. I want to see raw about 50. Want to see Australia going to a new high. We saw on daily some kind of green candle. So there is a potential uptrend. It's possible. Watching. took 4 trades for long traders. Want to see them above 20. See consolidation. Don't know what's going to happen. Maybe we're going to have a lower before we have high. Watching. See pullback. Traders want to see a rejection. Especially on US Japanese. Australia as well, it's pulling back. It's not something you want to see, traders. On va voir. The trend never go one side, you know. Yeah. If you remember, the other day I was on a winning trade, but it was yesterday, I think so. I was on a winning trade, but it shaking me now. I thought that I was wrong. I went out on the trade, and the trade now started moving my direction. I had just eyes to watch, you know. I was already out of the trade. So sometimes you have to trust your entry point. Trust yourself. Trust what you're doing, because you don't know. It might work. It's like right now, you see how we are being shaken up and down, up and down, up and down. We don't know exactly where we're heading, but hopefully, donc, comme je disais, c'est pas facile, trading. Ça nous menace, comme c'est en train de menacer tout à l'heure. Nous ne savons pas, c'est en train de prendre la direction contraire, celle qu'on a prise. On espère qu'il y aura un rejet. On espère. On espère avoir un rejet. Want to see a rejection? See, have 2 minutes to close the candle. Want to see a rejection? Great. Nice. Nice. Want to see Australia moving? Keep moving forward. Nous voulons voir le trade continuer vers le haut. Probablement, nous l'aurons, probablement. Parce que le daily chart a montré un signe de la montée. Donc, je me dis que on pourra probablement avoir la montée. We're watching our 4 trade. I want to see Chinese what it's doing. China GBP, I want to see. China GBP doesn't do great. It's not doing great. Okay, we're moving in the right direction here, traders. Great move. Want to see continue upside. Break in here because I won't take my profit at this point, ladies and gentlemen. I gotta wait. Gotta wait maybe in 150 here. It's where my target. I want to wait and see to take my profit. You are Japanese, but it's tricky here where we are. This 50 on US Japanese. I'm not sure, traders. Great. Let me see if I can sacrifice my profit. I'm not sure. Let me see if I can wait and see if I can break here on the resistance. Here, 150. See retracement, rejection. Hopefully we'll keep moving upside. Wow, that is a big retracement, traders. Came from green to red. From green to big red. It's not something we want to see here, traders. Huge move to huge, drawdown. I'm still on the trade, holding. Coming back down. Went to lower high to lower lower. Coming back down. In case it will come and break the support. Now it gotta be something different now. Australia turn back down. That is why we say that trading is hard, difficult. Because all those movements now, they move with your psychology, your mind. So you need to stick on it, keep holding tight, because you don't know what's going to happen. Each trade is unique, you don't know the outcome of each trade, even though they have the same setup, the same patterns, the same technical analysis, the same time, but the outcome can be different. You have to expect that. I'm saying this to remind myself, because me included, sometimes I take a setup, I say, okay, I'm sure that this one going to work because it used to. But I have to understand that I have the same setup, the same thing, same entry point, but the outcome can be different. That is what I'm experiencing here. Because usually those setups, when I take them, they used to break here, keep going up, chill. I get out of the trade. But today, you see, that gotta be my second time to move out from USD Japanese. Gotta be my second time. But if it happens that USD Japanese come down, here kick me out, I will now, reserve myself and start checking the trade to the downtrend, probably looking at the downtrend. Australia is approaching my stops. Also GBP. Let's see what they're going to do. They kick me out, I will take it. Hopefully we'll see a rejection. And turning green and with a speed upside. Hopefully. Where Japanese coming to my stops again. So there is nothing I can do. Close my stop to kick me out, where Japanese. All my trade. Close my stop on USD Japanese. Almost for the second time, I'm out of USD Japanese again. Trader, things are going wrong here. Yep. Things I'm out also on here on GBP. I'm out on Australia Japanese soon as well. So we break now the bottom here on USD Japanese. So Australia now going to kick me out, and also breaking on the. I'm out of Australia as well. So, trader, things are going wrong, but we have to take it. Those are the same pattern I used to trade, but this time it didn't work out. It happened. It happens. So those are almost 5 trades already consecutively, and they went wrong. So I need to see now what to do. Need to be patient and check. Went back or down. I don't want to follow the trade with a short. I don't want to do it right now, traders. I don't want to do that. We have here break here and rejection. I'm trying to see if I can still take long position, but I gotta wait to see if it continue down or go to hold or reject. I need to see. And on my 4 hours, I'm heading down. My 4 hours on US Japanese, I'm heading down. Also on Euro Japanese, I'm heading down. All those trades, I'm heading down on my 4 hours. Here, just on Australia Japanese, I'm now on the. I'm heading down as well. So I need to be careful because I have 4 candles on GBP red. Also have so many candles on US Japanese red. So we need to be careful to see the direction of the market now. Trader, I don't know if this is the retest or it's just the pullback. I don't know. I need to be careful. Need to be careful. I don't know whether it's a retest or to keep going down. US Japanese here. Want to see if I don't know if the retest. We already reject here on this area, which is good. Okay, now it looks like we're moving up. Trader, I want to see a second candle. Okay, this kind of move, I don't know. I'm gonna keep here for the resistance with the support. Resistance with the support. I want to see a second green candle here, which starts like you want to consolidate. I will feel comfortable to go long. But if I see a rejection, trader, that'll be difficult. I need to be careful. Really out of 3 trades. I'm just in with 1. I don't know what that one gonna do. So I need to be careful, trader. I don't know. This one start coming back down. We're very extended on the downside. We're very extended. I don't know what we expect. We already have 3 days, 3 green days. I don't know if I'm going to give everything back today. I don't know. Trading is hard. Je ne sais pas ce qui va se passer aujourd'hui. Je ne sais pas. Peut-être on va continuer vers le bas. Mais je veux push short ça. Il faut que l'Australia puisse casser ici. Australia have to break here for me to go short. Okay, I get here. Maybe I may go long here, trader. I'm going long again. Trader, I'm going long. I'm not saying that I'm right, but my heart told me to do that. Heart told me to go long. I don't know. So it's very dangerous, but I'm doing it. Let's see. This time, I already lost twice. Let's see. Let's see. Watching for long position. I don't know what's going to happen. Watching traders for long. We are red completely, very extended for downtrend or the downside. I don't know. Normally, we're supposed to go short, following the trend, but you never know where the trend is going to reverse. Never know. This Japanese Tokyo market open. Going to open at 8 soon. Look like maybe Tokyo may open and keep going down because we are in downtrend. Sorry. Maybe today gotta be the wrong day. Watching. I don't know if you may break this 50. I don't know, traders. Sometimes you already have a lot of losses and you see opportunity, you're scared to enter because you already have so many losses, and that may be the right one. Who knows? That is why you just need to place a trader. Sorry, just taking a trade and let it work. Whatever you have to do. Sorry. Watching here, upside. Want to see our trade breaking. gotta be difficult to make money when the trade doesn't take one side, or some kind of momentum. Even this short, it was not easy to predict it because we were doing this, and now it flushed down. So it was hard to predict the short. It was very hard to predict it. And now, as soon as we see the short now reversing now, trying to go up, now you're taking the long. Even that long doesn't last. Very difficult to make money like that. Very difficult. We're coming back down. I don't know if it's a pullback or just retracement. Sorry. Trader, we don't want to have another losing trade now because we may hit our mass loss. So it's not something we want to see. Because it's not good. You're going to stop us trading. So, sorry. Watching trader, want to see a green candle going up. We haven't get any green candle yet. Any green momentum, which we can say that we can make money on it. It's Wednesday. Wednesday used to be different, but today it's hard. It's hard. I don't know if he has some kind of news today. I'm not sure. Because news used to do this. And I don't want 8 p.m. to meet me on the trade. I don't want that. Moving back down. Sorry. Want to see our trade going above 20. Because since we didn't see our trade going above 20, want to see it pushing above 20. Want to push above 20. You know that we are on the 50 on Euro Japanese. Australia also want to go a little bit above 50. A little bit tricky. I'm still holding here. Nice small move. Traders. If GBP come to 20 to 50, maybe I will start taking small profit. You guys also can be ready. Pull back a little bit. Watching. Want to see another push. Now on 20. Want to see another candle. If I see another candle moving up, I may be taking my profit. Traders, want to see another small push. Great. Let's see. I can try to start trying to see if I'm gonna take my profit here somewhere. Gotta wait a little bit, just small. I don't know if we're gonna come down. What about going back down? Okay, I'm taking my profit here, trader. I don't know. Took profit there. It was small, but it's what I can do at this point. Wasn't bad. So the market will open soon. I'll be back. Look now, I was wrong, traders. I was completely wrong. You know, you see how I went out, look at the move. Wow. That is always happened to me. Always happened to me. Here. Okay, I take it. It's okay. I take it. I'm feeling FOMO now. So here we're going to see maybe a short. Trader, market is about to open here. Market is about to open. So maybe we're going to experience flush reversal. Wow, market now pulling back. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to get a short here, traders. I'm going to see what's going to happen. Be in for a short, and my target gotta be here. I don't know what's going to happen, and I place my stop above. If it come above, it will kick me out. I'm doing this. I'm not sure. I'm not asking you guys to do it, but I'm just doing because the market going to open soon. The Tokyo market. I don't know what's going to happen, but I took a flush short. So hopefully, if it works, it'll be fine. If it doesn't, I'm going to have a huge loss again. Traders. So let's see. Let's see. I'm trying here. Showing its probability. So I want to see what's going to happen. If it doesn't work in my favor, I will take it. See how it's doing now. Going to kick me out again. It took now the opposite way. Never done this, but I did it today. Trader, that is a huge loss for me, trader. Yeah, I'm completely wrong. So I'm in again with a short. In again. That gotta be probably my last trade on my account here. If it doesn't work again, I will stop trading for today. I will know that I made a lot of mistakes today, destroying my account, but so let's see. If it doesn't work, be out again, and that gotta be my last trade, traders. Because this is higher, I'm expecting the lower. That is why I took a short, because expect the higher is a higher. So I'm thinking that we might have a lower before having another high. That is why I'm doing this, but it might be a big mistake again, like the one I did. I made. If it doesn't work, I'll stop like this. For today, I will know that today I give back everything for the 3 days. It happens as a trader. It happens. As you can see, I'm going now to my stop again. Going to my stop again. So it happens. All right, I'm out there. This trading session, I have to revise it and watch it again and again and again, in order to learn a lot of lessons here, because we're here to learn how to trade. Learn how to trade, but sometimes you make big mistakes. It costs you. So those are the mistakes I'm making here. I'm going to the opposite direction. That is an uptrend. All right, traders. Today was my very bad day. Yeah, the work trade is good, but I was completely wrong. At 8 p.m. Eastern time, 3 minutes past 8, I have to stop trading at this with this account. I give twice my I can say my mass loss. So today things wasn't in my side. I lost a lot. So what can we take away from here, trader? What can I take away from today's trade is that I was saying that I was completely down. I was on the down, I was ascended, and the downside. I was saying it multiple times, but even though I was saying it, I didn't pay attention. So I was taking the trade. I was doing here great on the long. I went out, traders. I was on the right direction, as you can see, but I went out earlier. And I started taking now the opposite one. The market open. I thought the market going to flush like it used to do. It didn't do it. Market keep going up, and I keep shorting. I thought they're going to stop here on 150. That is what I thought, because I have double here. I have 200. I have 150. 200 here, 150. I thought the market going to stop there, but it passed through. So now the market is doing what I wanted it to do now. So unfortunately, I was wrong. I have to stop like this. That is what we have to do. I don't have two accounts today. If I had two accounts, I could have taken the second account to trade on it, but I don't have two accounts. Today, Wednesday, is a disaster. Trader, aujourd'hui, les choses n'ont pas marché. Ça a été un désastre. J'ai donné tout ce que j'ai fait pendant les 3 jours. Voilà, 3 jours que j'ai gagné. J'ai remis tout. Parce que j'ai été têtu ici, j'étais dans un bon trade, mais malheureusement, je suis sorti. Un bon trade. Mais voilà ce qui s'est passé. Donc ça arrive. On trade. Ça, c'est une session qu'il faudra que je regarde plusieurs fois. Voilà. Tous les jours, on apprend. Aujourd'hui, ça n'a pas été le cas. Très grande perte aujourd'hui. Donc, c'est ça. So this is what I was expecting. This is what I wanted to do, because I was expecting short here and come and recover. It will probably come down to here, crossing even the 20. That is what I wanted to catch, but I missed. Trader. So it's hard to take the top or the bottom. I'm not allowed to take any trade anymore here. So maybe tomorrow I will try to buy another account. For those who are new to our channel, traders, we're here to learn. When we have problems like the one we have today, we need to, to watch our video over and over and see what went wrong, what we didn't do good, the mistake we made, to correct them in the future. Because trading is improvement. You have to improve every day. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, I watch all my video. All the video are YouTube video. I record here. Every day, I gotta go over those videos. I watch all of them, the entire video, in order to improve. That is what I do every day. So, and it helped me a lot to improve the way I trade. I know I made mistake today a lot. The first mistake I made, even before the market opened, I took a position. Before I went live, I started talking to you guys. That was the first one I made, because I was feeling FOMO, and those trades end up not working very well. So we need to be patient. We need to understand that patience is the key on trading. I lacked patience today. Even when the market was about to open at 8, I was supposed to wait. And see the direction of the market before waiting so that the market got to calm down. But I jumped on it without waiting. Trader, that was another mistake I made. So I need to correct those mistakes in the future and move forward, because that is the best thing to do. Correct your mistake and move forward. The bad thing is to make mistakes and keep making them over and over. So that one is not good. Yep. Today we hit our mass loss with before reaching the time. That is why I need to. It's just a lack of time. Today I was supposed to buy another account, second account, because when I hit my mass loss, I have to go to switch to different account, so that I should not trade to the first one, because you may blow out your account like that. You need to have a mass loss in the market. When you have a mass loss, it helps you to not blow out the account. You need mass loss means what? The amount of money you have to give every day in the market. When you reach that amount, you stop trading. You stop trading. You gotta help very, very well. But as you can see here, I didn't have it. I have to stop trading today right now because I don't have 2 accounts. We encourage you guys, those who are new, to subscribe to our channel and like our video. And unfortunately, I have to stop trading like this. I have to stop trading like this. It's earlier, but I'm sorry. Tomorrow I'm gonna correct it. I'm gonna buy more account so that we can trade till 10, if it's possible. Tomorrow I'm gonna buy more account, because I have a tiny account to learn how to trade, and you guys can do the same. You gotta have more than 1 account. When you hit mass loss here, you go to the different one. So it was a pleasure, trader, to trade with you guys. If I had some question, I could have answered for you, but otherwise, gotta stop like this. disais que je suis désolé d'arrêter de trade comme ça aujourd'hui. Ça, c'est la descente que je voulais prendre et avant que ça m'a toujours enlevé. Donc, je suis désolé, je n'ai pas un deuxième account, un deuxième compte. Je vous l'ai dit, quand vous tradez, vous devez avoir le montant d'argent que vous devez donner au marché et vous arrêtez de trade. Voilà. Vous arrêtez de trade. C'est important. Donc, ce qui fait qu'il faudra que nous puissions renforcer ça. Alors, je vais acheter deux accounts peut-être demain et nous allons trade souvent jusqu'à 10 heures. Voilà, ou 22 heures. Trader, promise, or maybe next time we'll keep trading until 10 if it's possible. But today, I'm going to stop like this one. So it was a pleasure for me, and we'll see again tomorrow. Tomorrow, our trading session got to start at 9:15. Now we have 4 days of trading this week. We were green 3 days, and today we are red. That was our first red day of the week. But unfortunately, the red day, the money I give today in the market, combine all the money I made for the 3 days. Yep, it happens. It happens most of the time for traders. You can make money Monday to Thursday, and now Friday you give all. Like some people make money from 3 weeks, they are green, and now the last week of the month, they just give everything. That is a step of a trader to get to profitability. You can't skip those steps. You can't, trader. You take money and give back, taking money and give back, taking money and give back, and now there gotta come a time when you get money, you can keep the money you make in the market from the market. So those are the way of profitability. We shouldn't blame ourselves because we give all the money today. It happens. So you just need to be aware of that and make sure that next time you're going to correct it. So we see tomorrow, as I said, and have a wonderful time with your family. Au revoir, chers traders. Passez de bons moments. Nous allons nous revoir demain vers